born in the 60s or thereabouts, you've come to the right place to compare notes on, well, life. This is Area 61 and I'm Ellen, born in, 1961. I'll be making Youtorials about relationships, work, worries, fears, feelings, fun, how to manage in a world that's quite weird. This is about us, about you, for you. November. Another whiteout. Fog so dense it settles on everything like a fine icy rain. Chilling. Gloomy. It's early still, but I must say, I feel tired. I guess by now we all do. Now, is this about the weather? Well, yes and no. Yes, metaphorically speaking. The world being how and what it is. I wonder, how can we find cheer, a smile, some positive energy? Hang on, please. Come with me. This we can try. This we can try. Please. Come, look. In my muddy, sodden garden, there's this, look. It didn't grab my attention yesterday. No, not because the whiteout was so bad. I just overlooked it and I shouldn't have. Look. I know it's not a miracle, it's a rose, but it's in full bloom in this gloom. And it's all there, unaffected, look. Sunny. To me this brings, in this gloomy morning, the first item of ka-ching, this is good. And a tiny smile. Come. There's more, come. Still complete whiteout. It's not brightening. Shame. Light matters. Brightness matters. Be it out there or in here. And cheerfulness is not a party trick. It needs a receptive state of mind. It needs a cause, something to find pretty, beautiful, elegant, remarkable, interesting, funny. And all these points of brightness you can weave into the fabric of your day. And the day will then have become a bit more brighter and lighter. Miracle cure? Nope. But I truly believe that it helps. Let's go find some points of brightness. Bring up good memories. Look. Homemade cards and pictures. Little booklet, small presents, handed to me as I left my old country several years ago. It's good to look at them again, read the messages, and I'm so pleased that I've kept them. You know, it's also a reminder to be in touch, to stay in touch. So I sent a lengthy and heartfelt message to one of my friends overseas who has an anniversary coming next week, and I sent this picture to friends, family, WhatsApp group, and one of my mates was so quick to reply, "November rose, I'm glad it did," which made me smile. And I replied then, "Well now, I won't ever report anything to do with November sank." I know, it's details, it's small stuff, it's a few moments of fun and a smile shared, but that matters. I truly believe that. So I count another point of brightness. Yes. Another set of good memories. Look. All little gifts, tokens, given to me by someone who wished me luck, wished me well. And that, of course, makes for excellent memories, really. Must take these out of the little memory box a bit more often, especially now. And look, this one. It was made by a kind lady who can also make lace. Can you imagine that? Making lace? Goodness. And a short while ago, she had organized online a little auction for charity, selling her work, and all proceeds to healthcare. Now, that makes this pretty token speak even more of everything that is good. Hey, and there, I can count it. Another twinkle, another spark, another point of brightness. Yes. There's also this. It literally fell from the roof as some repair work was being done, and bits of debris tumbled out. And as I went outside to pick it up and investigate, inside this little bundle, look. Aw, tiny rib cage, little skull. And at first I thought, dead mouse, but no, look at the teeth. This was no rodent, more likely a marten or a weasel, I'm not sure. No matter, with the thought of mouse, I was transported straight away to early childhood, and I felt a big happy grin forming. And you know what? Let's leave this here and I'll show you. As a child, I'd spent most summer holidays at my aunt's farm, and my younger cousin and I would be out and about all day. And after the harvest, this would have been wheat, not corn like here, but after the harvest we'd be in the field collecting treasure. And this could be many things. Look, like snails, inhabited, the little house inhabited or not, no matter. In our eyes, interesting pebbles, rocks, pottery shards. Now I still find those interesting. So this little one I'll keep. But most of all, we'd be on the hunt for dead mice. This held nothing grisly for us. We'd stuff our pockets indiscriminately with the inorganic and the dead mouse matter, and bring it all home, happily to be told, now get rid of that rubbish, wash your hands, wash them twice, and come and get supper.
This did nothing to diminish our happiness, because the next day we'd be in the field again. Now, as I'm relaying this happy memory to you, I feel that this process is doing exactly what it says on the tin. 1, it took my full attention relaying this to you, bringing up the happy memory. 2, I'm counting this as another quite significant point of brightness in the kitty, yes. And that's what this is all about.
As to collecting these symbolic points of brightness, I would say go Christmassy glitter. Why not? There. Go disco. Silly. Yep. And as to cheer-inducing points, oh, yeah, oh, you know, there are many, many more. Must show you. Next video. Did this appeal to you? Then please hit subscribe button, ring the bell never to miss another video, and really, it'll be a big help. Thanks.
Before I go, as it's my garden harvest, I think it's okay if I play with my food a bit before I go and prepare it. So I will leave you with this, and please see you next time.